Hello, my friends from all over the planet. I hope you're all well and safe wherever you are. And here I am coming back to you with another video, which is Medicine in Ancient Egypt Part 4. In this video, I'll be talking about the ancient Egyptian gods and medicine. The ancient Egyptians believed that many of the gods they worshipped were for the human sciences and their needs. And according to their needs, they would be referring to them in their houses and showing them the respect and prayers and giving them offerings. They believed that Goddess Isis was the main one of medicine and its arts, as she was the one who healed her husband Osiris several times and was the reason of resurrecting him, as they described her as the real goddess of medicine, and her beauty attracted the good spirits to help the patients to be cured. And sure, that's beside God Thoth, who was one of the main gods of medicine, and his holy book, which was registered in the very famous papyrus sheets being left to us and scattered all over the museums of the world, is such a great evidence of this. That's beside God Horus, or the one of the virgins of God Horus. Beside being Horus the Avenger, Horus the great warrior, he was also Horus, or Horus the healer, and he was worshipped in the temple of Komombo nearby Aswan, the beautiful city of Aswan, as Horus the healer, as he managed healing himself by himself when he was stabbed by Set, his uncle, the evil god, as he healed his eye, and his eye even became a very, very important amulet for healing and protection. And the eye of Horus is a very famous, well-known amulet till now for the ancient Egyptians. Goddess Hathor, the cow goddess, the goddess of music, joy, and beauty, beside being the goddess of joy, music, and beauty, with Goddess Nut, the sky goddess, they were responsible of fertility, and they were the midwives taking care of pregnant women, and they built a special temple for them for the sake of teaching midwives and nursing pregnant women. And the pregnant women used to go to that temple during their own 9 months of pregnancy, and even giving birth there in that temple. And it was a great temple as a great destination for pregnant women to be treated and looked after. Goddess Sekhmet, the lioness goddess, beside being goddess of war, she was the one of surgery, and in her temple in Memphis there were teachers of algebra and surgery to teach the students these sciences to be good in healing and making surgeries. And in this topic of surgeries in ancient Egypt, there will be a special video I will make for you to talk about the science of surgery in the ancient Egyptian medicine. The great Imhotep was deified, as I told you before, and one of his titles was the son of Betah, one of the gods of creation, was worshipped in Memphis, the oldest capital in ancient Egypt. And Imhotep was depicted in many scenes as a child sitting and holding a papyrus sheet on his lap. And they built a hospital, carried his name in Memphis Temple, which was a big destination for patients coming from all over Egypt and staying there for a specific time till they got cured. And they discovered next to his temple the most famous library in the ancient Egyptian history. It remained till the Roman existence. From this library, the Greeks took loads of medical arts, and they found Berlin medicine papyrus right there, which is counted as one of the most important documents talking about medicine, not in history of ancient Egypt only, it is in history of mankind. So I'm not exaggerating if I say that without them we wouldn't reach what we reached our days, from the peak of technology and the peak of development in all fields, including, sure, the topic I'm talking about, which is medicine in ancient Egypt. In the next video, I'll be talking about the relationship between priesthood, physicians, and medicine in ancient Egypt. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Leave you with love, peace, and happiness. Thank you.